So the title and the thumbnail already exposed what we got on the menu today. We are making shrimp, or like we say in the South, scrimps. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these pan-seared hot honey scrimps or shrimps. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our ingredients real quick. We have our shrimp back here. We have butter in these two dishes, kosher salt, thyme, olive oil, crushed red peppers, seafood seasoning, smoked paprika, honey, lemon juice, lemon zest, chopped garlic, black pepper, cayenne pepper, chili powder. Guys, these ingredients can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is season our shrimp with our seafood seasoning and our black pepper. We're gonna go in with our hands and get that baby mixed in. Adjust your seasoning as you see fit. Feel like you need to add more, go for it. Let's move this aside and head over to our stove. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil along with our butter. We're gonna let that butter start to melt. All right, once that butter starts to melt, we're gonna add our shrimp. And we're gonna cook these babies about 1 to 2 minutes per side. All right, after that 2 minutes, we're going to flip our shrimp over. You just want that nice sear. And we got 1 to 2 minutes on this side as well. And you may have to cook these babies in batches as well because you don't want to overcrowd your pan. All right, so now we're gonna start removing our shrimp. We're just gonna sit these aside for the moment. Let's go in with our second batch. A lot of you guys have been asking about this, and I am excited to finally say it's here. My highly anticipated hardcover cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available right now for pre-order. You guys know it's all about real food, bold flavors, and cooking with no pressure. So if you've been waiting on this, link in the video description. All right, guys, so as we're finishing up our last batch, all we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our shrimp back in here, just like this. Man, these babies looking good. I'm gonna add some more butter, some garlic, our thyme, and our lemon zest. And we're gonna cook this briefly until we get that aroma. We don't wanna cook it too much because we already cooked those shrimp and we don't wanna overcook them. Then they get to be rubbery. And we don't like those rubbery shrimp. Guys, this smells absolutely delicious. Man, and it looks good. All right, once you start smelling that aroma from that garlic, we're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna hit it with a little lemon juice. Get that a nice mix real quick. All right, so we're gonna remove this from the heat. We're gonna set this aside and start on our hot honey sauce. Now we're gonna melt some butter along with our honey. We're gonna add our salt, our smoked paprika, a little cayenne pepper, and some chili powder. We're gonna get that whisked around here. And this doesn't take long, just until that butter melts. We're gonna simmer this for like 1 minute. Bring those flavors together, and we're done. All right, so we're good now. We're gonna turn off our heat. I'm gonna stir in our red chili flakes now. Now let's head over to our cutting board, get these shrimp plated up, and into our final presentation. And guys, there you have it. Hot honey shrimp. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control, cause these babies looking good. All right, y'all ready, man? Quality control, man. Look at these groceries. Ooh, man. I ain't had scrimps in a long time, but we finna try these scrimps. Ooh. Let me bring that back up there so y'all can see what that scrimp look like. That's a scrimp. Wow. And it's a high honey scrimp. Oh man. God, I eat the tail and all. Shut up. Oh man. Oh man. Listen, these babies are fire. You need to definitely check them out. You can serve them as an appetizer or you can serve them as the main dish over some rice or whatever you decide, but they fire. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.